Drone because it's bigger. He's a male. Okay, so let's look at this barn. Let's see what we have going on in here.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna look and see. Let's get a good look at what this looks like. Can you dig that side? Okay, I'm gonna show it to you. Wow.
And kind of help me out with the camera here, like, you know, hold the frame so yeah, you can get that. Now flip it over. Now who's this right here? What's going on right here?
What that means.
That is that's a queen cell right there.
Brian, we've got a lot of them then. I mean.
So they're looking to swarm if there's a lot of queen cells. Okay, this is brood, right?
Yeah.
That's brood. And that's a healthy saying brood. There's healthy brood on each side.
So dark.
And look, see the queen cell. She's not. They've built it here in.
Okay, wait. I think. Okay, that's honey.
Show me. I need to see inside that comb.
You want me to open it?
No, I want you to tilt it to where I can get the camera inside there.
Oh.
Like that. Okay. What is? And let me take a look inside of here, man. What is going on inside there? Something's in there, Ann.
Well,
they just haven't capped it up.
Well, I'm sure it's. Oh yeah, it's just.
Oh, see, okay, there's another one.
Yeah, I think there's a lot of them. I think they're just making their own.
See, then, okay, that's the 1, 2, 3. That's the third queen.
Right.
Thing. So that means you start seeing stuff like that. That means they're getting ready to swarm.
Really would like to see the queen. I see them I'm seeing them carrying pollen on their back and on their legs. I'm seeing a nice. Okay.
What's going on right there? What's going on? What's going on?
I don't see any pink queen, do you?
No.
Well, we've only looked at 3. This is only our third one, so.
We've already did that one, didn't we?
Yeah. Okay, let's try this one. How does that look? And they'll kind of look
Lots
the same.
of brood. Lots of brood. But they just don't have a lot of food.
Not unless they're eating it from up above. But
Okay, that's a drone right there.
Bigger.
He's a drone right there.
Yeah. These are darkers.
Look, she's got pollen on her right there.
Yeah.
Okay. And you just don't want to look at the bottom of the box to see if there's anything.
Well, I mean, like take everything out. I mean, you know, we can take all these out and look in the bottom, but I'm looking down there, Brian. It's looks pretty much just clean. You know what I think I might do is run inside and go get another powdered sugar thing, because I really want to do the test to see. You want to just hang in here for a second? Oh God, Brian, I'll kill them.
I don't think that they're dead. They're not dead. Don't. They're not dead. They're not dead. They're moving. It's just that I don't know how you got water in there.
I don't either, because I totally dried this out.
and
I'm
just
trying to separate them.
I know, but no,
No?
you're so.
I'll be right back, okay?
Um,
I'm going to clean this out.
but we can't get it dry.
What, this?
We can't get that dry.
Yeah, I can stick a towel in here, like I did earlier.
But you got to dry that out too.
Yeah, I will.
That was wet.
I don't know how there was even water in it.
Just eliminate the cup. We just